The FDA has authorized booster doses of both COVID-19 vaccines made by Moderna and J&J.
Yeah, the organization also said any of the three authorized vaccines could be used as a booster in this mix and match approach. So joining us with more on how it all works, of course, is Dr. Richard Novak. He's actually the head of the Division of Infectious Diseases at UI Health. Thank you again for coming on this morning. We always like to get your perspective.
Always a pleasure to be with you.
Okay, so what's your reaction? Good idea, bad idea, about this decision, mixing and matching?
Well, there isn't a ton of data yet on how that works, but what there is shows that it's very effective to mix those vaccines. It's not a novel strategy, because this is something that's been done with vaccines for a very long time. To combine different vaccines, and it does show a dramatic increase in antibody levels. So I think it's a good idea. The fundamental thing is that it's going to make it easier for people to get access to another dose of vaccine. And for those people who appreciate the vaccine and want to be protected, getting another dose will get them there, frankly.
Yeah, and the timing I think couldn't be better, because I probably don't need to tell you that last year at this time, for Thanksgiving in particular, only 2 in 10 Americans actually celebrated that holiday outside of their immediate family. This year's probably going to look a lot different, Doctor. So my question is this: is a booster maybe the closest thing to a magic bullet as we might find if we're going to be going into someone's house and there are unvaccinated celebrating Thanksgiving with us?
I think it's definitely going to give a dramatic increase in protection from infection from those around you. And so given that there's still a significant number of people in our society who won't get vaccinated, this is a way to protect yourself. And again, those people who appreciate and are willing to get the vaccine, this is a way to further their protection.
Yeah, I asked Dr. Oz this question. I'm going to ask you the same question. With the Moderna, the Pfizer, you've got this mRNA, new technology. The Johnson & Johnson has the other sort of, it doesn't have that kind of technology. So if you opted for the J&J, maybe because you were a little hesitant about this new technology, and now you're adding that into the mix, what does that do to your blood? What does it do to your system? And then would you need that second dose, because Moderna and Pfizer had a 2-dose? Are you going to need that second dose then for the Johnson & Johnson?
If you receive the Johnson & Johnson the first time, then the guidance is that 2 months after the first dose, you can go ahead and get a second dose of the Johnson & Johnson, or alternatively, after 2 months, you can get a booster with one of the other vaccines. And it turns out that giving Moderna or Pfizer after the Johnson & Johnson gives you a significantly higher boost in antibodies than taking another dose of the Johnson & Johnson. So I think more people are going to start to opt for that. That new technology actually turns out to be a really effective vaccine technology, and it's going to be employed in a number of other vaccines going forward.
Boy, really interesting times. All right, Dr. Richard Novak, always a pleasure, sir. Thanks so much for getting up early and speaking with us.
Always a pleasure.